Hi, welcome to Simple Math. In this video, I will explain an exercise about square difference. Let's call this exercise excellent exercise, which is a high level of proficiency. We have fractions, we have also parentheses. Let's see if they have common factor. If you see the first fraction and the second one, they don't have common factor. Neither the numbers up nor the numbers down. Uh, the parentheses is not the same, so that is not a common factor. Uh, this exercise is neither a common factor nor a common factor by grouping. So let's try by trying, let's see if we have or we can apply square difference. Okay. Uh, if you see the first term, this one, it has square roots. The full first term. Why? Because the square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 4 is 2, w exponent 4 has square root, and the whole parenthesis has a square root because look at the exponent. Yes, imagine this is an apple. So the apple is apple exponent 8. So it has a square root. What happened with the second term? This is the second term. 9 has a square root, 49 has a square root. P raised to the second power has a square root. And this is, I don't know, let's see, these are grapes. And these parentheses, imagine this is a grape, has an exponent 18, and 18, I mean, the grape exponent 18 has a square root. So let's start doing the process. How do you solve an exercise like this? This is a square difference, of course. Uh, we open two parentheses, that is the first step. We open two parentheses. Give me a while. We open two parentheses. This is the first parenthesis. And let's open the second parenthesis. This is my second parenthesis. Okay. Uh, I think I have to write this bigger. Give me a while. Okay. Longer could be here. Wait, could be here, like this. Okay, we have two parentheses, right? Remember, in the first parenthesis, we can write plus or minus. So in this case, I will write minus. And in the second one, I will write plus. Yes, that's the first step. The second step is to calculate the square root of the first term, the whole first term. So the square root of 1 is 1. That is the square root of 1. So the square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 4 is 2. The square root of w exponent 4 is w. The square root of the parenthesis exponent 8 is um, the parenthesis exponent 4. Oops, I have to raise this side because the space is not enough. So x minus 1 exponent 8, the square root is x minus 1 exponent 4. So we have x minus 1 exponent 4. Now the minus of the parenthesis. I think the space is not going to be enough. Let me see if I can fix this. Wait. You know that here we have a second parenthesis. I erase to see if we can improve the space in a better way. Okay, I continue. Minus the square root of 9 is 3. Yes, the square root of 49 is 7. So I write a 7. The square root of p exponent 2 is p. The square root of this parenthesis is this parenthesis exponent 9. Remember, is the half of the exponent. So we rewrite the parenthesis x minus a exponent 9. And we close that parenthesis. Okay, now it's time to open the new parenthesis. Remember, there is a times, or if you want, don't write the point, don't write it. So I'm going to open the second parenthesis. And I will repeat the same thing here, but the main sign is going to be addition. Don't forget about it. So this is addition. Okay, let's write it there to see if the space is enough. So, and we copy exactly the same thing. Yes, exactly the same thing, sorry, in the next parenthesis. So, in the first parenthesis, we have 1 over 2w. So, in this case, again, 1 over 2w. And then a parenthesis, x minus 1 exponent 4, x minus 1 exponent 4. Yes, plus, in this case, is plus. So, we have, wait, we have 3 over 7p, 3 over 7p, yes, and next to the p, look, we have another parenthesis, x minus a, exponent 9, and we close the parenthesis. As a conclusion, uh, the first step is to open two parentheses, yes, the first step is to open the first step is to open two parentheses. Yes, in the first parenthesis we write plus and the second one minus, or in the first one we write minus and in the second one plus. Then we get the square roots of the first term and we write it here. Then we get the square root of the second term and we write it here. And then we repeat this information in the second parenthesis. And that's it. Okay, again, uh, thanks for watching my channel. Thanks for watching this video. And thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the next time. Bye bye.